What's going on in here? What's going on? Huh? Oh, what is it, big boy? Hey! Oh, what a good boy! Judah! Judah! Good. No clicker. There's a little bird over there that's pecking on my van window, which is a good tester. Here we go. Judah! Good. Good boy. Good eye contact. There's a little bird over there. It's a perfect time. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a distraction. So give it a moment. It's a strange sound. Judah! Good. Good boy. Good eye contact, boy. Come on. And that's what you want to see. Just a good moment of picking a distraction that doesn't normally happen at all. It's pretty rare to get that sound. But a good opportunity for a rep, and that was a good one. And so we're just focusing on Judah right now. He's got his next big test coming up in training, so happy that the reins are almost done here and we can get on to that rattlesnake training class and 4-9, April 9th, rattlesnake training class. Yeah, so hopefully we get all 3 dogs in that. All right, just a little update. Beautiful morning here. Give you a little sunrise shot there. Oh man, what's up, boy? Huh? What is it, boy? What is it? Oh, come on.